This is a template when solving any mathematical induction question. I wanted to make it into steps to make it clear that 99% of the questions you follow this format, if not 100% of the questions. So step 1 would be to prove that it's true for the first term. Notice in this case I've left a box where I'm going to fill it in a minute. But the first term normally is n equals 1. Sometimes n is 0, and occasionally it's 2 or 3, but in 99% of the time n is 1. So you're going to prove that it is true for the first term. And then you find pk for the kth term, and you're going to assume it's true. That we're going to put into this box here. If pk is true, then. And then we're going to find pk plus 1, and using pk we're going to show that that's true. So we're going to start working out pk plus 1 in here, and using pk we're going to show that it's true. And then we finish with the same closing sentence on every single question. Since p1 is true and pk plus 1 is true whenever pk is true, then pn is true for all, and then whatever settings or bounds that they set originally. And this is by the principle of mathematical induction, which you don't really need to write if it's an induction question, but that's what we're using. So this is the structure you'll use for every question.